Hello everyone, let's see this particular question. So here the question says that if the real part of the complex number z is given over here and the range of theta is also given, that theta must lie in between 0 to pi by 2. This theta is already, we can see in the z which is given, okay, is 0. So basically the real part of the given complex number is 0. Then the value of sine square 3 theta plus cos square theta we are supposed to find. Okay, let's simplify this complex number and write it in the standard form of the complex number. Okay, so we are having z is equals to 3 plus 2i cos theta over 1 minus 3i cos theta. Let's multiply this complex number with the conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 plus 3i cos theta. Now numerator, we have to apply distributive property to multiply, and denominator we can see the identity a square minus b square. Let's open the bracket in the numerators part. So we'll be having 3 plus 3 times 9, 9i cos theta plus 2i cos theta plus 3 2 times 6 I square cos square theta. Denominator will be 1 minus 9i square cos square theta. As we know, I square is equals to negative 1, so we will put the value of I square over here. 3 plus 9i cos theta plus 2i cos theta. We can add this two term together, both are imaginary part. So 9, 10, 11, 11i cos theta. This 6i square we are going to substitute the value over here. It will be negative 1. So minus 6 cos square theta. Denominator will be 1 plus, again we are going to substitute I square as a negative 1 and we are going to have 1 plus 9 cos square theta. Now let's separate the real part and imaginary part. So 3 minus 6 cos square theta over 1 plus 9 cos square theta plus 11 cos theta, I is there along with that, over 1 plus 9 cos square theta. Now the question says that the real part of this complex number is 0. So we can compare the real part is equals to 0. This 3 minus 6 cos square theta over 1 plus 9 cos square theta is equals to 0 as given in the question. Real part of z is equals to 0 given already. Three minus 6 cos square theta over 1 plus 9 cos square theta is equals to 0. Now we know denominator cannot be 0, so we'll compare numerator is equals to 0. So 3 minus 6 cos square theta is equals to 0, and from here we are getting the value of theta. See, 3 is equals to 6 cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 3 over 6 we are getting. If we will cancel it out, we are going to get 1 by 2. Basically cos theta will be 1 by root 2. And we have to take theta in from this range. The given range is 0 to pi by 2. So from this range only we have to choose theta. So 1 by root 2 is cos pi by 4. So we can say theta must be pi by 4, and this pi by 4 belongs to this range, that is 0 to pi by 2. We are done with finding theta. Now we are supposed to find whatever is asked in the question. Let's see. We have to find this one. Let me highlight it. This sine square theta, I mean sine square 3 theta plus cos square theta. Okay, let's take it. Sine square 3 theta plus cos square theta. So sine square 3 pi by 4 plus cos square pi by 4. As we know, 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. In allied angle, you must have learned how to find the value for sine 3 pi by 4. So, we can write it as sine pi minus pi by 4, which is nothing but just 3 pi by 4. And yeah, square is there, so we will do a square of this. Plus cos square pi by 4. Sine pi minus theta lies in the second quadrant, and with pi, sine will not change, it will remain sine only. So we will have sine pi by 4. And yes, positive sine pi by 4 because it is lying in the second quadrant. Square is there. Plus cos square pi by 4. That means we are having sine square pi by 4 plus cos square pi by 4. Now if you want, you can put the value for pi by 4, you can do squaring, but clearly we can see sine square theta plus cos square theta. So we'll just drop the value that sine square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. And the answer for the given expression will be 1.